Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is April 18th. Looking at the overall economical calendar on Market Watch, we have a Fed speaker at 1 o'clock today. We have the Fed Beige Book and another Fed speaker tomorrow. Jobless numbers on Thursday and PMI on Friday. Make sure you guys check this out on Market Watch. Just look up economical calendar and this will pop up. Overall, let's start the watch list. We're looking at AMD. If we go over towards the 180-day, AMD has been on a step and staircase pattern. So let's see if the pattern continues. Watch for a break and hold above 92.63, which is a previous support, and the one-year EMA. So once we start to break above that, we can start basically pushing up towards 96 up here to the downside. Watch for a break below 89, and then we can start basically going down towards 85, a previous support level down here. So watch out for AMD. Make sure you guys set your alerts, especially if you guys are interested in that step and staircase pattern. And the 1 year does look pretty promising if we start to basically hold above that 1 year EMA. Right now, it's still in a bearish position. Wait for it to get back above that 1 year EMA and start to hold above there. Then we can start continue an upward trend. Right now, it is on a bearish position right now. So watch to see if we break that 88 down towards 85. Could be lower. So make sure you guys check that out on AMD over here. Next, what we're going to talk about is NVIDIA. NVIDIA has been basically trying to get back towards its previous high of 281. So watch out for that. I want to see a break and hold above 281.35 over here because this could be a massive double top. So once we start to hold above 281, we could start pushing up towards 285, maybe even 290. Watch for a break and hold below 269, which is the 1 year EMA, right? So once we start to break below that, that is a bearish trend. And then we can start basically pulling back towards 262. Right now, it is above the 1 year, right? So that is somewhat of a bullish trend as long as it's above the 1 year. But as you guys can see, MACD is still crossed down. If this starts to open up a little bit more, RSI has room for downside. We could have a massive pullback on this. So that's why you guys want to make sure you guys practice with caution and wait for a real confirmation of the break of 269. Then we can start basically going lower and wait for confirmation of that 281 hold. And then we could possibly start going higher on the video. Next one we're going to talk about is Tesla. Tesla is right below the 180-day SMA, which can act as a resistance. So wait for it to break and hold above it, above 189. Then we can start going to 181, 191, 191.85, and then we can start going to 195 up here. So that's 189 to 191.75, and we can start going to 194 over here, which was basically a previous resistance level. This was a previous resistance level to the downside if Tesla rejects this level, which it has multiple times in the past, right? So make sure you guys wait for the break of the EMA and the 1 year EMA, which is lining up with the 180-day at 186. And then we can start basically going down towards 181. Watch out for that. Last but not least, SPY is trying to break 20-day highs, right? It broke a 20-day high at 416. 416.06. So watch for the break of 416.06. It is a little bit more on the overbought side. Make sure you guys are cautious with that. This was a previous problem level for Tesla in the past. I mean, for SPY in the past. So if we do start to basically reject this level, which we rejected it multiple times in the past, 416 rejection, 416 rejection, 416 rejection. So it's easily said that, hey, we could possibly reject it now. So watch for a break below 414, which is the breakup of the 180-day EMA, and then we can start basically going down towards 409 for a bearish trend. Right now, SPY is still on a bullish trend. It's still above that 1 year EMA, so want to wait for a clean break below 410 before we get really bearish on this, right? So that's going to be it. Hopefully you guys have a green trading day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.